Hi, so Mike and I are here to let you know about a couple of events we have coming up. We have an online workshop on the 16th of November, 1 to 5:30 p.m, Ancestral Healing Workshop. And then we also have a weekend retreat, the 6th, the 8th of December, where we'll be diving deep into this work. And both the workshop and the retreat will include a family constellation work and voice work as well for healing. So yeah, do you want to add anything about it?
Yeah, I mean the online event we're going to be able to fit in a conversation and a little bit of singing, but it's the December retreat where we really go deeply into this work. We explore altar work. We look at internal family systems work as well as constellations, energy medicine work, dance of life in the morning, some nice breathing practices as well to take us into our day. So yeah, you're very welcome to join us there.
Yeah, we'd love to welcome you. Find out all the information below, and yeah, we'd love to have you at one or both of those upcoming events.